Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify sales strategies with Buffer Publish, beginner guide step by step. To begin verifying your sales strategies with Buffer Publish, first, sign in to your Buffer account. If you don't have an account yet, create one by visiting Buffer's website and following the registration process. Once logged in, navigate to the Buffer Publish dashboard. Here, you will find your scheduled social media posts and campaign analytics. To verify your sales strategies, start by selecting the social platform where your sales message will be shared. Next, create a new post by clicking on the Create Post button. In the post editor, write a compelling message that communicates your sales strategy. Incorporate clear calls to action that encourage engagement and drive conversions. It's essential to attach relevant images or graphics to make your post visually appealing. After composing your post, select the appropriate time to publish it using Buffer's scheduling tool. Once your post is scheduled, monitor its performance using Buffer's analytics features. Look for metrics such as engagement rates, clicks, and shares to assess effectiveness. Analyze the data to determine whether your sales strategy is resonating with your audience. If the initial results are not as expected, consider A/B testing different messaging or visuals. Continue to adjust your strategies based on ongoing performance metrics. Regularly revisit your Buffer Publish account to update and refine your sales strategies. By consistently analyzing your data, you can enhance your approach and improve sales outcomes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.